Hello guys, my name is Siddharth and you are watching my YouTube channel 3 Sides. So today in this video we will gonna discuss the programming of 8x8 matrix which is MAX7219 with the programming with Arduino, so you can make the display of facial expressions and the letters. So welcome to 3sides.in and I'm your host Siddharth. Let's get started. So first of all, let us discuss what are the components needed in this project. So first of all, we will need Arduino Uno, then Matrix MAX7219. This is the matrix which you can buy in just 150 rupees from the given link. Then you will need jumper wires and Arduino cable. Then the circuit diagram, the link of the circuit diagram is in the description area. And let's begin the project. So I'm just connecting the wires according to the circuit diagram. So I'm just connecting the VCC and ground of the matrix to the VCC and ground of the Arduino, and then the 3 pins to the digital 8, 9, 10 pin of Arduino. So the connections are over. So I'm connecting the cable to the laptop and then connecting the other end to the Arduino. Then this is the library which you have to download from the given link in the description, and just paste this library in your libraries folders of Arduino. And this library has been pasted here, and the next step is to upload the code. So the code is also available in the description area, you can check it out there. And the code is available, so let me select the port which is COM11 and the board is Arduino Uno. Let's upload the code. The code is uploading and the code is being uploaded yet. So the code has been uploaded. So here you can see that the matrix is giving facial expressions as it is defined in the code. So this is the software. The link of the software is in the description area. So with the help of this software you can make the custom designs on the matrix. So I am making an arrow, so just click on continue and generate, and this is the code with which you can make this pattern appear on the matrix. So I'm just pasting here with the syntax, and here you can see, just paste it here and print byte and what the variable you have let here. So this is the variable which is arrow, and I'm just pasting here. Just upload the code, and as you can see this is working pretty fine as arrow has appeared. So with further alternation in the code, I get the 3 sides or THREESIDES on the matrix, as you can see, and there's random designs also. So this project was a really fun project, and I hope you like the video. And this project is really very nice, and you will make this project in just 4 or 3 steps. I hope you like the video. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.